Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x minus 1 everything to the power of 2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2x minus 1 dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we have 0 minus 1 everything to the power of 2, and u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here, and we can see that u equals to number 1. So in this situation, we can see that on the bottom and on the top, we have 1, 1. This one we change by u. This one we change for the u over number 2. Because the top equals to the bottom, so this one equals to number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.